Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify SEO properly so your store can rank higher on Google and get consistent organic traffic in 2026. SEO might sound technical, but once it's set up correctly, it brings free traffic again and again. So yeah, let's keep this simple and practical. Start with keyword research. Before touching your Shopify settings, you need to know what people are actually searching for. Focus on buyer intent keywords, not just high traffic ones. Now move to your Shopify store settings. Make sure your store name and description clearly explain what you sell. Search engines use this information to understand your business. Product pages are the most important part of Shopify SEO. Your product titles should include the main keyword naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. Your product descriptions should explain benefits, usage, and common questions. Meta titles and meta descriptions matter a lot. Every product and collection page should have a unique meta title and description. Keep them clear and focused. Images also play a role in SEO. Use descriptive file names and proper alt text. Site structure is another big factor. Organize products into clean collections and avoid messy URLs. Page speed directly affects SEO and sales. Compress images, remove unused apps, and use a fast theme. Mobile optimization is essential. Google ranks your site based on mobile experience first. Content helps Shopify SEO grow over time. Blog posts build authority and bring long-term traffic. Finally, track performance and improve. SEO is not instant, but it works when done right. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.